I believe you all have been hearing about YouTube deleting channels of recent. Like it has been happening and it's not something new. I hope we all know that YouTube deletes channel. This one is not like they give you strike or warning. No. They will just remove the channel. It has been happening for some time now. A lot of people have been experiencing this and they are coming out to speak about it. So this one that happened actually like it shocked me. Let me just put it that way. I was very surprised. I was shocked that YouTube will bring down a channel for this particular reason. Now, one major reason why YouTube not normally brings down people's channel is when they post videos that are against their community guidelines. You know, I always tell you people, YouTube has rules and regulations guiding their platform. And since you want to be a user of the platform, you want to be a creator on the platform, you have to follow these rules and regulations so that your channel will be safe. Trust me, just one mistake can take anybody's channel down. We do not pray for that. Imagine the years of hard work. You know, to get one subscriber on YouTube is very difficult. I hope you know. Like YouTube is the most difficult platform to get subscribers. I'm telling you. People can watch your videos and you won't even 1,000 people can watch your video. 2,000, you won't get one single subscriber. I'm telling you. No talk of after you've tried your best to monetize your channel, then or even though you are still trying to monetize it, then YouTube will not bring it down. It's very, very painful. So guys, YouTube demonetized a channel of 42,000 subscribers. A successful channel at that. They deleted the channel. YouTube deleted a channel of 42,000 subscribers. Like, the thing shocked me. I always come across the channel. But first I was not seeing it again. It was when the person now opened another channel, and he's even lucky that they allowed him to open another channel, because some people when they delete their channels, YouTube will tell them that you are not allowed to create another channel. Like if you create, they will still bring it down. But he was allowed to create. And what was the reason for the deletion of his channel? Now I believe we all remember this Ibom Air fight then that happened about that girl that the air hostess was having issue with. You get. So if you notice, there is this particular video that was flying around the internet when her top was pulled down. I don't know if you remember. Her top was pulled down and then her upper region here, it was not showing. People were not posting that video. Even when I watched that video, it was on Facebook I first saw it. When I saw the video, I was like, what is all this? Why are people reposting this? Why are people posting it? Something like this is not even supposed to spread, but it was spreading because people are looking for traffic on their page. They are looking for traffic. So this particular man, he posted the video on his channel on YouTube, but he actually covered that part. So you won't see that the upper part. I don't know if you get BREAST. That's what I'm talking about. So you won't see it. So he actually covered it. So you won't see it. But and that was how YouTube sent him an email, and then they brought down the channel. So he went to appeal that, oh, see, oh, I covered it, I blurred it, it did not show this and that. Oh, they replied him immediately, because it normally it takes YouTube some days, like 24 hours, like that, to reply you. But this one, immediately they told him, we are not bringing it back. We are sorry, this and that. The thing shocked me. Like I was like, seriously? That's why you have to be careful on this YouTube platform. Upon not say the man, he blow am o, he cover am, make nobody see the something, but they still brought it down. That's to say maybe something went behind the scene. I don't know how to put it. Maybe that particular video was already reported. I don't know. It was already reported that anybody that posts it, the person channel will be brought down, something like that. I don't really know what happened. So you have to be careful, especially something that is trending. When you see a video that is trending, don't just be too quick to download the video and then you don't want to post it on your channel, please. Just like that, a channel of 42,000. To get 1,000 subscribers, you and I know how difficult it is. Not talk of getting 42,000. So let us be careful out there. Let us all be careful out there. Mind what you post on your channel. See, take our time. Take out. I know it sometimes reading is stressful for some people. Like they don't like enjoy reading. I know, but this is something you are doing for you to make money from. You get. So be careful of what you post. Don't just go ahead and start posting and start posting. You don't even know the implication you will get. Instead of you to post something that is naked, then you want to blow it. It's better you don't post it. Yes, don't post it. Instead of posting and blowing, don't post. Just talk about it and move on. Because YouTube is getting more strict day by day. Another person they deleted her channel because she has two YouTube channel under one email. I'm like, why? You get, these things are things that a lot of people are doing, like, and they are like, oh, but I have two channels under my email address. Everything in life is turn by turn. I think they are doing turn by turn because this one was very surprised. Like, why? Why will YouTube delete a channel? Because the person has two YouTube channel under one email address, because they sent the person the message that the person needs to delete one channel from the email. And when the person deleted the one channel, that was how the other one followed. Just like that. If some people open their mouth and tell you what happened, like why their channel was deleted, you will be surprised. You'll be like, that one not reach why person will lose the channel now. But it happens. So please, let's us be careful out there. The words you say on your channel, a lot, especially those that like reposting other people's video, be careful. It's not everything you post. Be careful. Before you post a video, watch it over and over again before you post. Be careful. Be careful. Sometimes if they don't delete channels, they will tell the person to remove the video, or they will remove it by themselves. So these are the things that happen. So let us be careful out there. Let us be careful out there. And for me, I do not really advise somebody having 2 or 3 channels under one email address. I don't like it. If anything should happen to that email address, it will affect all the channels. So if you know you want to have like 2 YouTube channel, 3 YouTube channel, create separate email for all your channels. Yes, create separate email. This particular channel will have its own email. The second one will also have a different email address, like that. Stop putting all your channels under one email. It's not advisable. That's why some people will link their Instagram to Facebook. I don't know why. Do things separately so that when one suffers, it will not affect the others. I don't know if you get. So that is it, guys. It all is happening. Please let us create time to go through the YouTube policy to know the in and out, so that you won't fall victim of all this. It is painful. You and I know how painful it is. Think of the journey of you towards your monetization. How you tried your best to get monetized, then after monetization, all your efforts will just go like that. No, we don't want that. So let us be careful out there. Be careful of what you post. This one that I just told you is not like I went to forge the story. No, this one, the person came out on his new YouTube channel to share it. So let us be careful out there. Mind what you post. I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question to ask, you can do it to drop it on the comment section. And don't forget to like and share this video so that others will also learn from it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.